So something a little different. Got a nice entrance hall here to tile. We've got a hardwood around the perimeter with a brass trim. First I need to prep it. Can't use Ditra because of the build up is 15mm and we have a 12mm tile. So I'm using this material to stop any cracks coming through, as it does have underfloor heating. Now this is the layout, and it has a little insert tile just like that, so you can kind of see what it's going to look like, and I'll take you through the stages now. Okay, now I've got the section set. I'm not going to lie, it's a very tedious installation. Doesn't look like much, but there's quite a bit of work there, and it's nowhere finished. I've still got the other half to do, but it's looking nice. Once they're sealed as well, the colour will come out, it will pop a bit more. But like the hand cutting around the brass trim, it's going to look lovely. Now when you've got a floor area like this, I like to dry lay it all first, make sure my cuts are right, and then I can peel it all up and stick it all in one go. It's just a method and a way I work, just to ensure that perfection is there within the cuts. Now I've got all this area fixed. It's all been glued in, it's drying, it's all been cleaned. As the next process now is to apply the sealer. Now I'm going to give this 2 coats of a matte finish sealer so it doesn't affect the face of the tile. There's all types of sealers you can get, but I think the matte transparent stuff is the best product to use on this type of tile. This has had its second coat of sealer. It's looking better and better through the stages. Once this is fully cured by the morning, I'll be able to get a nice grout on that. You can just see the colours coming through on the stone now, the detail in the stone all coming out. Really nice. Hand cut curve had to be done. The piece on the left, the smaller part, that took me 2 tries. These 2 on the right that just touched that there, I managed to get first time. Just kept tickling and tickling until it fell right. Yeah, really pleased with the detail in this one. Really nice. A nice entrance hall. Now we are ready for grouting. So this is the morning after, and the floor's got a nice sheen on it, so it's been protected well, and it's now ready for grout. The grout of choice is the Bal Micromax 3 Eco. Brilliant grout. We're going for the antique white, which I think will dry up a real nice colour. White was too white. The jasmine is the next shade above antique white, is too peachy, and these are more of a cream. So this will blend in really well and finish this floor off nicely. Now the consistency of the grout, I want it quite firm. Now I'm going to add a bit more powder to that because it's a little bit colder in here. Not below temperatures, but I want it to firm up pretty quick, so it makes the cleanup a lot faster due to the temperature. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, turn it in until I'm happy with the consistency, give it a few minutes to settle, and then start filling the joints. change of footwear. Let's go. So it's had a first wash now. I'll let that dry up a bit more and then I can give it a second wash so that the grout doesn't wash out. No excess water. You can see that it's just drying there. Try and catch it with the light. There you can just see the middle of the joint is drying. The tile's still got water on top. But we'll let that haze up. You can just see there, it's hazing up. And here we have the end result. As I walk myself down the stairs, just thought it'd give a better view, and it does. That's a nice sight to see. Really, really pleased. The grout choice, the tile choice, really is a nice, welcoming entrance. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. The grout's just fine, finishing drying. But yeah, another installation done.